Guidegeek to plan my travel. But first of all, what is Guidegeek? Guidegeek is a free AI personal travel assistant. By asking a question in the app or on the website, you will receive answers curated by human travel experts at Matador Network, which is the largest independent travel publisher, which is the world's largest independent travel publisher, which is the world's largest independent travel publisher. So Guidegeek might be the answer to all of your travel needs. Simply ask a question in the app or on the website about your future travels and you will receive a response in just seconds. Simply ask a question in the app or on the website about your future travels and you will receive a response in just seconds. To learn a little bit about what sort of questions you can ask the app, take a look at the web page at guidegeek.com. So what we can do here, we can first of all go to recent questions. You can scroll through some of the most recent questions from real travelers. If you're wanting to see, if you see a question here that resonates with you and you're wanting to see the answer, all you need to do is click on answer. So here we have a question, where to take kids in London with a budget. Click on answer and Guidegeek has curated an amazing answer to this question. So for example, we've got number 1, visit the British Museum. Number 2, explore Hyde Park and Regent's Park, and so on. So you've got quite a few answers to that question right there. So you can simply scroll through and have a look at the most recent questions to get an idea of what you can actually ask. Now on the web page, you actually do have where? Now, if we were to go to destinations, you will actually, once you click on destinations, you will actually be able to open once you click on destinations at the top here, you'll find a chatbot at the top. So if you were to click on for destinations at the top of your screen, you'll find a chatbot at the bottom right of your screen. You can click chat now and you can actually curate your own question. So first of all, you will see that you will have to agree to their privacy policy and there'll be a little introduction from Guidegeek. They can help you with flights, custom itineraries, hotels, restaurants, tours, travel safety, and so much more. And it is also fluent in 45 languages. So all you need to do now is ask the chatbot a question about your future travels and it will give you a quite concise answer. So I'm going to ask the following question. I plan to travel to Tuscany, Italy next year in May or June to hike? Is this the best time to travel? And what is the average temperature? And press enter, and the chatbot will return with an answer to my question. And here we go. Tuscany in May or June sounds like a lovely choice for hiking. The weather during that time is generally quite pleasant, with average temperatures ranging from 18 to 25 Celsius. It's a great time to explore the scenic trails and soak up the beauty of the region. Just keep in mind that it can get a bit crowded during these months, as it's a popular time for tourism. If you enjoy a mild weather and vibrant landscapes, then May or June would indeed be a fantastic time to visit Tuscany for your hiking adventure. Let me know if there's anything else I can help you with. So that is a pretty awesome answer to my question. Now, if you're wanting to actually use the app, now Guidegeek actually does provide an app as well. All you need to do is go to the main page, the home page. All you need to do is go to the home page, and you can scan your phone to open it in WhatsApp or open on Instagram. Now, you can also go to Press, where you will see the latest news and information available on Guidegeek. You'll find some amazing stories worth reading right here. For example, what to do when weather interrupts your vacation, and there is nothing worse than expecting a nice sunny holiday if you have planned a beach vacation. And that will link you to, in this case, a story on a news website. And here's another one, Unveiling the Future, How AI is Revolutionizing the Travel Industry. You can click on that and it doesn't tell me a damn thing. Fantastic. This one here, your next travel agent might be an AI chatbot. And clicking on that story, and you can actually read the story right here from the app. So I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Let me know if you have tried Guidegeek, and I would highly encourage you to download the app and give it a try. If you've got any other questions, I highly recommend downloading the app and giving it a try, or even trying I highly recommend downloading the app and giving it a try, or even asking the question on the website. Thank you so much for joining me.